Welcome, in front of me is a SHARP D10, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to your phone. So to get started, you want to open up settings and then scroll all the way down till you see fingerprint and password. Tap on it and you should find fingerprint. All you need to do is just tap on add one, and if you have a pattern you will need to confirm it. If you don't, you will have to set it up. So by default it gives you a pattern, but you can also change it to have a simple password or complex one. So basically it's a PIN or password, PIN being a 4-digit number. But I'm gonna stick with this one, so just draw a pattern, continue, confirm, and I can start scanning away my finger. So the sensor is located on the back right here. Now once you're doing it, you want to get a fairly good scan of your finger from all angles, but I'm primarily trying to do it quick, so just slapping it all in the same spot. Now once it's done, you can rename it so you know which finger it is, so you can basically name it whatever you want, or you can just tap on done and ignore it, and it will be saved as finger 1. And now once you lock the device, you will have two methods of unlocking, either with the fingerprint, so right there, or with just the pattern. So if the fingerprint is acting up, or your finger is dirty, or you have a glove, you can always do it like this. So that is how you would set up a fingerprint, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.